Ooh, I don't know if I'm getting out of that. My brain got fried. My brain got fried during that. My fucking brain got fried. I'm doing great, Serge. Need my water. the stream talking about? I've been on down for a while. Thank you, Mudkip. I'm eating a little bit of food. Semi-stress eating. Why am I getting a million pings from Will's stream?
Elden Ring must absolutely be the worst experience ever. Because I've seen so many people get caught on it. I'm not looking forward to it. Oh, did Andre just pull up my stream? Because I've seen so many people get caught on it. I'm not looking forward to it. Inception.
What's up? I got a million pings.
I've seen so many people get caught on it. I'm not looking forward to it. Inception.
What's up? I got a million pings. Sub to Will Neff. 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 That will hurt my brain in 5 minutes. Oh, he's calling me. What's up? Billy?
How goes it? How many runs has it been?
It's been a long time.
All right, you ready for ultimate pressure?
Sure.
We're gonna watch this run and this run alone. If you do it this run, 100 gifted. And all my brave soldiers will gift as well. It's all on the line right now. Tap into something primal.
I have not gotten him below 75% HP. But
Tap into something primal.
I do get him below like 50% almost every single run. You want the primal?
I want primal. One run to rule them all. Dude, thank you so much for the gift, by the way. Gifts. I found a shirt in the bottom. I didn't even know.
I was worried you weren't. I was... Then somebody in chat was like, you know what you need to do now? You need to send Caroline a skateboard with her Chicago PD scene on it. Oh, all right. I'm locking in.
Lock him. All right, chat. We're all in for this. Give him your power. One run to rule them all. Can he do it? A man trapped playing Elden Ring for the last 7 days. Can he escape?
Okay, hold on. I fucked up my buffs.
What's gonna... This is not locking in, bro.
Sometimes it bugs.
What's the first thing you're gonna do if you beat Elden Ring?
I'm going to Disney World.
You know what? I'll come. Fuck it. Disney on me if you beat it this run. All right. I'm gonna remain silent.
RP walk all day, baby. We love this attack. That's 2 hits. Fuck, I'm gonna have to tank this. It's like...
That was such a valiant effort.
It's like riding a Peloton, but you take the seat off.
You know what I noticed about him that's so hard? He has so many change-ups.
So many. Like, I feel good
He
about
has
phase
so
one.
many off speeds.
That truly was like probably my worst phase one in a while. Phase two, you fuck up once, you're gonna get hit by like 6 hits. It's so punishing.
Do you think he's the hardest boss in
Unquestionably.
Souls history? Unquestionably.
I don't think anything comes close. Like, I think after him,
Damn.
Melania and Orphan, maybe. But like, he has so much more HP. The punish is so much harder. And he's tanky. He's just so fucking tanky, man.
Yeah.
To be fair, I'm not using summons, but...
Here, I'm sending you something that reminds me of the fight.
Yeah, give me a tune. Give me a tune.
No, it's not a tune.
What is this? Yo, OT, thanks for the raid.
I would like to present into evidence Max bike.
What? It's an awesome workout bike. What's the big
I
deal?
love this show.
Okay. Mac, why don't you go ahead and operate the bike?
Yeah, sure. Problem, just like any other workout bike. Well, pedals. There you go.
It's outrageous.
Yeah, there it is. I mean, it's just the craziest. Okay, all right. I know what you're thinking, okay, but it is not what it looks like.
You know what it looks like is that you are fucking yourself with a dildo bite.
Can we say that the episode where Mac is in prison and he does the dance is maybe the best moment in gay television?
I think it's one of the greatest moments in comedy. It's like one of the
so
best
good.
little change ups.
It's
Dude,
so-
that little fist on the end of it is so. All right, brother. I'll tune in from time to time. Get back out there and beat that boss. You got it.
I'll let you know if I beat it.
All right, baby. Good luck.
OT, thank you so much for the raid. Flaky, don't do this to me. Yeah, no. That was a good warning from OT. So you dug straight down in Minecraft, you broke the cardinal rule, huh? I'm so close, man. I'm so close. Will on this final boss with Sneak Mage is gonna get absolutely toasted unless he changes up the strat, though. I think it's way too oppressive to cast spells. Listen, I'm a believer in digging straight down in Minecraft, though, I will say. I think a lot of people also don't understand I'm kind of doing a challenge run for Elden Ring, too. Like, I'm not doing summons. Actually, Kai didn't do summons either, to be fair. Pena!
I am here to party with this win.
Let's go.
Days off is a go.
I'm in. One, two. One. Bounce behind. One, two. Buffer my dodge. One. One, two. One. Just gonna take one there. Yeah, look how clean this one is compared to the last run. The last one he did so many of his like double slash when he does the middle. Yeah, see, we're in business. We're in business. No hit, phase one. We're in business. Come on, Radam. Why did I heal there? I'm telling you, I know that phase one, bro. I know that phase one so well. Kristen, thank you for the 2 months. I don't know if OT is still here, but I hope you had a nice stream, bud. Fuck, man. It's so hard. If there's a second health bar, that's... This fight is... deranged. It's a good thing I'm deranged. Mac, it's totally chill. Go to bed. Oh fuck, he did the dash. Oh my goodness, I ate every single one of the combo. I thought he was doing a different attack. But if you heard the clinks during that, the clink clinks, that was me doing the physic block. Does this work on controller, Eller? No.
Was good.
Cav, what up? I didn't win. I'm going to right now, though. That is the wrong button. Yes, y'all. Tribe, y'all. Tribe, y'all. Get a hit. Hit. Oh, he got me with a holy attack. I was cooking there, though. There's something about Tribe that gets me locked in, dude. Fuck. I dodged wrong direction. Went left instead of right. Come on. I had to hit him there. Fuck. What am I doing wrong on that attack? Maybe I gotta go... I probably have to hold farther right instead of forward. No way. Whatever. Gotta run in. I'm out of stam. Fuck. I just got out. Fuck, I don't know how to dodge that one. What is this? What the fuck is this? He brings back the comet attack, huh? Yo, Kaif. What the fuck is up? How are you? Did you just beat the game? Thank you for the raid. I appreciate that. Welcome in. Congrats, Wolf. Thank you so much for the raid. How the fuck do I dodge the meteor?
Descendant of Ragnar, I am calling on the ancients to bestow upon you inner power.
I think I'm just gonna spam roll there.
This blessing was brought to you by Lovins and Taco
Jambalaya.
Bell. Vibe Mars.
I mean, let's go to the replay. Let's go to the replay here real quick. Because it looked like he landed and it didn't damage me immediately. So maybe I was far enough away to not get hit right off the bat. I just didn't roll. I might want advice, but let me see this first. Damn, I got him low though. Holy fuck. Same shirt, same shirt. I can't really tell because my camera wasn't looking at him. But it looks like when he lands, there's like... a big damage incense. I feel like I just wasn't rolling. I don't know. What's the advice, Raz? Hey, Kay. The 10th phase. Just keep running. Even if I hit the wall. Fuck. Thank you so much for that big raid, by the way. Really? That kind of sucks. Run away from the walls. Sometimes it's hard to know, like, where I have the most space to go on the map in the middle of it all. That's like a piece of information that I get a little overwhelmed with while I'm in the middle of the fight. What's your advice, Wolf? That's what I've been doing, K-Brick. I only want advice, by the way, chap, from Wove and Raz. So please don't chip in right now if you're not either of those people. Just running. Block, parry first phase, dodge second phase. First phase I have down easy. I'm not worried about that at all. My first phase is so clean. I like having the parry option in the second phase. If I get like trapped in a position where I feel like I can't roll out. You get like 3k damage from the parries, it's crazy. Wait, what do you mean? Do the parries give me damage? Keiko, what up? What do you mean? You can guard counter? Wait, I didn't know that. So what, after I hit a perfect parry, what, I just hit R1?
Curse you, Bale.
R2, really? All right, let me test this out then a little bit. Let me test that out then. It does crazy stagger damage. Yeah, I remember. I remember that your animation's different, but I just didn't even think about it, you know? Oh fuck, I don't have the buff on. Let's try it in phase 1 just to see. I didn't even think about the fact that you were guard countering. I hit the wrong button. Holy shit, it does do a lot of poise damage. Wait, that's kind of busted. I'm dead. Okay, here's a question though. Rewoven Raz, in the second phase, how open is the guard counter animation? Or is it just like you get overwhelmed? I'm sure there's openings, but... Do I have to hit it on the end of a combo then? Okay. That I can do. Alright, chat, we're so back. So I see why you run the poise damage tier instead of the stamina now. Not a big Freebird guy. When he pulls up the ground, that's a peak time, yeah. That combo. Okay, I don't think I can parry that attack, because it grabs, kind of. Oh my god, I miss him. keeping my eye on my health bar for how long the buff lasts. Oh, I missed it, but I think this way I can definitely do it. Yeah, I just gotta hit your shots. You can deflect when he pulls up. That I'm gonna have to try in the first phase then. Eat your silly gummies. Scary not to roll though, yeah. Especially because now I know the rolls so clean. Or I know the rolls a lot better than I know the parries. Alright. Dude, he hasn't done the slam once. Now he's doing it. I see it though. Fucking shit. Oh man, I went for a swing there and I couldn't hit him. I thought I could. Excuse me. No, I'm out of range. No. Oh, all right, that's fine. That's fine.
Promise you a 1,000-year voyage guided by compassion.
I don't know how to deal with that attack. I think I just rolled too early on the last part. I love Gurren Lagann so much. Hey, Drew. Exactly, you get it, Myrtle. Oh, I'm circling around him. I'm not even going the right way. Oh, I rolled early. Fuck, that's a 2 free hit right there. Show. I was running out of time on my stagger buff too. I think what I need to start doing though is I know I can hit phase 1 all dodge only and then pop my physic on phase 2 just to make sure that I have it for the entire time. You like that, Gerd? No fucking shot I got hit by a meteor. Chambi TM, Crimson? I think. Edge. Fuck. I'm gonna take the heal instead of the hits. Jesus Christ, my game is lagging. It's not a spicy onion, your knife is just dull. No problem, chef. You didn't know that, Hedge? A lot of times when you cry from an onion, it's because your knives are dull. Most people's knives are probably too dull anyways. Oh fuck yeah, we got a jammer on. Good lord. Changing my strategy. The physic lets me block with 100% damage and counter attack. Come on, man. Put it together. The wrong one. I gotta do it on the raise up. I think my problem with that attack, because I haven't seen it that much, and it seems like his like waterfowl equivalent is I'm rolling backwards because I've only rolled backwards on that. I think I need to roll forward and right or just straight right. Because it seems like most of his dodges in phase 2 are straight right. Just the read on that is just so tight. I feel like I never have the read well.
You, 1,000-year voyage guided by compassion.
Come on! I don't know what that does.
You know how we run things here. You know how we run things here.
Clearly. How many people are gonna misinterpret my tweet as me laughing at the kids getting abused? It's so stupid. You're a full-grown man. Act like it. And you know what's crazy, guys? Every person who gets mad about that tweet always has a football, an NFL team retweet in the first thing. Why are they all NFL fans? I made a tweet saying that I think it's funny how Nick Merckx was making all of these accusations against the trans community and protect the kids last week, and then this week his guy gets busted for soliciting a minor and he doesn't say shit about it. And that felt like karma to me for him not saying anything. And people are thinking that I'm saying that the kid deserves it. No, I'm not saying the kid deserves it. I think it's funny that the timing ended up like that. But Nick Merckx fans don't know how to read, so it becomes hard for them to tell what's going on unless there's a football involved or an AR-15. Fighting an invisible war. They're the same people who are mad about The Boys Season 4 making fun of them. I need a shirtless video of your statement. Maybe I'll record one later.
Yo, literacy describes your ability to digest words and thoughts. A big part of that is blown up. If romantic, right? Living playing crap celebrate because birthday good. Even though I do occasionally say outrageous things, I almost never make disclaimers because I never want to be a safe space for people that lack critical thinking skills, bro. Like, it really does dehumanize your audience. The craziest thing is a lot of times the most book smart, educated people are the ones that need the most disclaimers. If you ever heard a conscious, real discourse person on here trying to talk to their audience, it is the most miserable experience you've ever seen. They will literally be like, yeah, no, it's just great to finally have a job. Not that there's anything wrong with being jobless. It's just nice to not be poor and have to sleep on the street.
Sean, I'm not asking anybody who I'm shit talking for them to join my community. I don't want them. Bori. Yes. Yes, I did. Alright, I gotta switch my glasses. Because these ones start hurting the side of my head. Did I ever find anything cool with the finger runes? What do you mean? I went back to the church. But I didn't go back to the other ones, should I? In the area of each of them, they're kind of hard to find. I will go investigate. Take a brief break from fighting Radahn. I feel really good about this fight right now. Like I'm close. It's just... make one mistake, you know? Yeah, the guard counter definitely helps. It's just... I'm still not used to the guard counter yet. So I just have to get reps in, and... I have to stay focused, so like... I don't know, it's like... It can be very mentally exhausting for a fight that's intense to just be... focused in on timing and rhythm for that long. No buns cooked. Kermie's I once for a 4th of July contest ate 9-foot-long hot dogs. Why are they all sleeping? Yeah, I think it's really cool how it incorporates the Sekiro mechanic, I have to say. These enemies are truly the most annoying enemies in the game. And I love how the AI doesn't even ever connect on the fucking grab. I shouldn't have said anything. This game loves to get you with silly timing, doesn't it? Oh, fuck. Alar, just tell me if it involves me doing a taunt in a spot. Because that's the kind of shit that I'm just not gonna know. It doesn't. It's just like something I need to find physically. Bro, it's not even like, they don't even do that much damage, they're just annoying. But man, he's covered in blood. I wonder if the fingers are yellow because of the frenzied flame. Or if that's just supposed to be like oxidation or something. I don't know what I'm looking for. Ugh. Sure, yeah, that'd be nice. It's really small relative to the size of the runes. Their god is a legendary dirt puncher. If you hug the cliffside just east of the falling star beast, you should spot it. And you're sure I didn't already get it? Is it a summon ash thing? Because if that's what it is, I already got the ash summons. That's the fingers. Hello? Oh, it's like a thing where I can duplicate stuff? Like a mausoleum? Not even worth that much. Which remembrance is worth the most? Only 50,000 runes? It's not even, I don't think I get a level up off that. Kinda cool though. maybe if I do that. Okay, and then where's the other one? Here. I'm feeling fine, Sammy. Where's the one in here? And is there one at the church one? In the boss arena? The lake part on the surface. When do they unlock? Interesting. The finger runes might be my favorite overworld locations in the game. They're so fascinating. Did I go to something over here? Did I miss something? Why did I have that marked? Did I miss a dungeon?